What's up, everybody? Got Skunk coming to you from Southern California, of course. Yet another day that's going to be nearly 90 degrees. It's pretty comfortable right now, though. So, I know Autotech was mentioning that he actually got snow already. And we haven't even had a day that's below 70 out here just yet. I know, it's like totally unfair, right? So a couple things going on today. I did some settings on the Tascam, so hopefully I get good audio out of it. We'll see how that goes, see if I like it. I'm, as usual, recording on the GB10 also. I haven't cut that string yet. Hopefully with these new settings I'll be able to go single cam when I want to. And also thought I'd talk a little bit about the hashtag support thing that's been going on. So what this is because of YouTube making it a little bit harder lately on the smaller channels, Dirty D's came up with an idea for everybody doing a video and getting involved in this hashtag support group. Basically what the group does is if you label your video with hashtag support, or you just go ahead and make that one of your tags, it'll make it easier for people to find the smaller motovlogging channels. I heard about it from Dig and the Hound, and up until now I haven't filmed a video doing it yet. But what I did find was, just out of my comments on several videos, I got a bunch of new subscribers. Well, I don't want to say a bunch. I think I got like 15 new ones, I guess. Something like that, which, you know, it's more than I was getting before that. But I'm always looking for more channels to watch. I found probably a good 20 or 30 more channels that I really like, I enjoy watching. I'm not going to try and name any of them right now because I don't want to leave anybody out, but I found a bunch of new ones. And I mean, what a cool thing, because, you know, most of the bigger channels, I've actually reached out to them and asked them, hey, you know, since the whole monetizing thing happened and a lot of guys are just trying to get their 1,000 subscribers so they can monetize their channel, since you guys are huge, how about, you know, maybe helping out a little bit? And pretty much all of them told me to piss off. I don't know if they think they're gonna lose views, or it's gonna cost them money by helping out the little guys. I don't know. I don't know what their problem is. The one big channel that has his collaboration set up, I know I mention him all the time, but Dan the Fireman, if you put together your own video giving some kind of instructional value to motorcycling, submit it to him, he'll put it up on his channel. And I don't even know what his subscriber count is up to now. His channel's gotten huge. So if by some chance you came across this in some other way, if you punch in hashtag support and do a search on that, you're going to come up with a whole bunch of motovlogs to check out. This isn't like a sub for sub kind of deal like people have tried before. It's just a way of finding motovlogs. Check them out. If you like them, subscribe. If you don't subscribe. Nobody's going to get upset over it, or at least I won't get upset over it. And I know yesterday Hauler Moto made a comment, or he replied to one of my comments, because he's got a badass Crossbones Springer Crossbones. It's a badass bike. And I made a comment, and I mentioned to him that I've been actually a sub of his for quite a while now. And he had said, hey, well, I wish you would have commented, because then I could have found your channel earlier, and I could have subbed to you. Well, the reason I don't comment is because during my downtime at work, I'll watch videos. And in my line of work, at any moment you could have to drop everything and run, and that's what usually ends up happening. I'll be watching a video, I'm maybe almost done with it, I know what I want to say, what comment I want to make, and bam, tones go off and I'm out the door, and honestly I just forget to go back and comment because I was pretty much already done watching the video. So those of you out there, don't think that just because I don't comment I'm not watching your videos, because I watch a lot of videos every day. I spend a lot of time on YouTube when I'm at work. When I get home from a 24-hour shift, I have some breakfast, drink some coffee, and while I'm doing that, I sit and watch YouTube videos. So I spend plenty of time on there. Oh yeah, also for today, I was screwing around, and this is just a rough draft right now, so don't think I'm done. But there is going to be a channel intro on this video that I'm going to use for a little bit. It's just a little 4-second thing. It's very, very simple, but it's just my first try at it. I'm going to see how it works out and figure out a way to do something better. Actually, I might have my daughter help me because she's doing some kind of graphic arts class, and maybe she can make me a cool logo to add to it. That would be just phenomenal. I know I've asked before on the channel if somebody could do a cool looking biker skunk, if they could draw it up for me and put it in like digital format that I could use it just for a centerpiece on my intro. But nobody's responded. I don't know if nobody knows how to do it and nobody wants to do it, whatever, either way. I come on this road so I can go fast and enjoy the turns, and of course I get stuck behind somebody. I actually just went by the Harley store. I was going to pick up a jacket for this winter. Obviously not a super heavy jacket, but I don't have a leather jacket and I've been wanting one forever. And my Harley store carries the one that I want, but they don't have my size. I've been going back like every couple weeks to check to see if they got it in yet. Just got told today that it's on back order, unfortunately. It's the First Classics, made by First Manufacturing Leather, and the model is the Top Performer. Love this jacket. I'm a big guy, so I'm looking for a 2X. The only one they have in the store right now is 3X. So they took down my number and everything. They're going to call me when they come in. But I don't know anybody else that carries them. So hopefully, before we get our pathetic winter, hopefully they'll have them in so I can go get my jacket. And I have a textile jacket that I used to wear, but the zippers were plastic and they broke. So I can't zip the sleeves up, and the sleeves flop around too much when I'm riding. So what I'm going to do is, because this First Classics jacket has armor pockets, I'm going to pull the armor out of my old jacket and put it in the leather jacket. Then I'll finally have some leather protection. This thing's got all kinds of vents in it too, so I don't know. I probably still won't wear it when it's real hot, but with all the vents and stuff, I'll be able to wear it into some of the warmer weather. Then people will stop talking crap about me not wearing safety gear at all times. So I hope everybody's noticing that I'm doing everything I can to improve my channel, make my videos a little better, get better at editing, improve the sound, improve the picture. I want my channel to be perfect. I know it's never going to be, but that's my goal. But I think I'm about done talking for now. I'm gonna go and cut this one down, and I just want to say thank you very much to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much to all your subscribers that have been here for a while. I really appreciate it. And to be quite honest with you, I'm a very shy person, and I honestly don't know why anybody ever subscribed to my channel and keeps watching it, but love you guys. Rubber side down, shiny side up, stay safe. I'll talk to you all next time.